you start with the name of Allah Almighty. My name is Bilal Ahmed, PhD scholar, Department of Zoology, Government College University, Faisalabad. The topic of my presentation: efficacy of citric acid and phytase treated talking seed meal-based diet in Tetra pindolins to improve mineral digestibility. The worldwide acquisition of aquatic food is increasing nowadays because of increasing human population. The availability of aquafeed products lead to the expansion of aquaculture sector. The reasons behind the development of aquaculture sector are that it is the source of economical feed which have better growth ability in short period of time. And to achieve low budget farming, the suitable way is the formulation of artificial feeds from available natural products such as plant stock. The source of the source of protein is regarded as an important ingredient in fish meal for feed formulation, but its less availability and its cost may limit its use in fish nutrition. The main ingredient that I have used in my research, cottonseed meal, has been used as feed ingredient in terrestrial and aquatic animal feeds as an excellent source of protein. Cottonseed meal has protein content up to 44% after soybean meal and canola meal. It is the third largest oilseed meal in world. In order to decrease the utilization of fish meal, proteins from animals and plant sources have been used. However, the poor digestibility and palatability of these proteins and also imbalanced amino acid profile, which lead to severely restricted their use in aquafeed, is due to the presence of anti-nutritional factors. This slide shows cottonseed and cottonseed meal. The first supplement that I have used in my research is phytase. Phytate from complexes with divalent and trivalent cations, as phytate is negatively charged ion, thus lead to adverse effect on mineral absorptions. Microbial phytase is an enzyme that makes phosphorus availability to fish and enhances its absorptions, releasing phosphate group from phytate. The activity of phytase depends on pH and it's highly active at low pH of gut. The production of acid lead to lower the pH of gut in carnivore fish, but on the other hand, monogastric fishes lack this ability. The next supplement that I have used is citric acid. Citric acid has become the world's most usable organic acid. The inclusion of organic acids such as citric acid in fish diet lowers the pH of digestive tract and the activity of phytase become maximum by using of organic acid. It was confirmed that citric acid is being successfully utilized due to its ability to hydrolyze the phytate complex and lead to enhance the nutrients absorption as well as resistance against diseases. The fish I have used, Catla is ordinarily known as Thella, extensively cultured herbivore fish that use mesh feed from the water surface as surface feeding fish. Among other major carp planes like Liburita and Surhinus meridella, used in Pakistan, Catla is generally used as a part of polyculture production system. It is one of the fastest growing fish among other carps due to its highly nutritious values and also good taste quality and thus has valuable market demand. Materials and methods, fish and experimental conditions. For a 90 days trial, Catla fingerlings were purchased from Government Institute hatchery, Faisalabad, treated with 5 gram per liter NaCl solution before stocking, brings them in fish nutrition lab, Department of Zoology, Government College University, Faisalabad. Here, the fingerling acclimatized for 2 weeks, continuous aerations and water quality parameters were checked. Feed formulation were done by grinding and mixing of all ingredients that represents in table 1. Table 1 represents the different composition of ingredients. I have made 16 test diets in 4 groups. Fish meal protein replacement 4 groups: 0%, 25%, 50%, and 75%. Feeding protocol and sample collection. Feeding protocols: 5% at their live weight were given to the fingerlings. After feeding, washing of tanks, feces selection by the subsequently opening of valve 1 and valve 2. The obtained feces dried and analyzed. This slide shows feeding plate and mesh size. This slide shows about the valve 1 and valve 2 used for fecal collection. The mineral analysis was done by different instruments: UV, VIS, spectrophotometer, atomic absorption, flame photometer. Apparent nutrient stability coefficients calculated by standard formulae. Statistical analysis. Data of mineral digestibilities was fitted to three-way ANOVA. Results. Table 2 represents percentage of minerals that I have used in test diets of Catella fingerlings, fed on cottonseed meal-based diet supplemented with citric acid and phytase. Table 3 shows the composition of minerals present in feces that obtained from Catella fingerlings fed on cottonseed meal-based diets. This table shows 4 replacement levels and maximum minerals in feces present in control diet TD1 and minimum composition of minerals in feces or obtained test diet TD12 that have inclusion of both phytase and citric acid, while on the other hand the test diet 1 have no phytase, no citric acid. Table 4 shows apparent minerals digestibility of Catella fingerlings fed on cottonseed meal-based diets. Here we can also see that at 50% replacement level, test diet 12 that have both phytase and citric acid have maximum values of minerals present in Catella fingerlings as compared to that of 0% protein replacement level. Test diet 1, control diet having no inclusion of phytase and citric acid have minimum values of minerals present in Catella fingerlings. Based upon the finding, it is stated that test diet 12, which contains up to 50% cottonseed meal protein, 2.5% citric acid, and phytase, 750 phytase, is the most effective diet for increasing mineral digestibility in Catella fingerlings. This slide shows the references. Thank you for your attention.